Hi, Steph. How are you doing today?
Hello. I am doing well, and you?
Good, good. So I heard you doing a broadcast earlier. You were discussing the remnants of Danny. Is it actually downgraded? Is that what's going on here?
Right.
Can you kind of tell Periscope viewers here what's going on with Danny?
Right. Actually, earlier today, throughout the morning hours, it was downgraded into a depression, and just like that, it downgraded into remnants. We're actually looking at remnants of Danny as it continues to progress to the west, and we take a look over here at 12 miles per hour, impacting the leewards. And now, what people probably know or don't know is, well, the Caribbean pretty much need the rain. I mean, they're under a significant drought, the leewards, Virgin Islands, and also Puerto Rico. So this does actually bring good news, even though when you do have heavy rain like this, what we are concerned about is flash floods, but nonetheless, very, very beneficial rain across the Caribbean.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is discussing the remnants here. It winds at 30 miles. So the miles per hour are a little lower than I had thought too.
Yeah, actually it continues to actually lose its intensity. We take a look. You see how before it was well organized, and then it continues to fall apart. Not looking as impressive, let's just say. But behind this one, let's take a look here. Well, this is to give you like a time frame here. The Leeward Islands here for today, what we actually just looked at, and then heading into late today into tonight, it's going to impact the Virgin Islands, and then targeting Puerto Rico. Many know they're actually under a huge drought around Puerto Rico, and then Tuesday night targeting Hispaniola, or the eastern half of Hispaniola. So once again, very, very beneficial rain across
Rolls
these areas.
with Tide said, good, Puerto Rico's drought is so bad the water is being rationed.
Yeah, so this definitely brings good news. And talking about inches, well, we're estimating 2 to 4 inches of rain here because of the remnants of Danny. And once again, heavy rainfall, gusty winds will be a huge concern around the area here. But another story that's brewing up here is behind Danny, we're looking at another system or an area of low pressure that could actually turn into a depression or into a storm as 2 p.m. today, or even throughout the evening hours. So today it could actually turn into something as it continues to move into the warm waters and kind of take that track of Danny. But this one, we're probably looking at, maybe it's going to be a little bit more impressive than Danny, how Danny was.
So people are wondering if it's going to hit the U.S., if the remnants are going to hit, the Northeast at all.
Well, we do have like the moisture in place. So the moisture is actually going to stream west, northwest. Once again, it's going to continue to fall apart. It's not going to be as impressive as it is, targeting the Leeward Islands. So as it continues to move up, parts of Central America could receive some moisture there, but we're just going to look at a couple of showers.
Okay, great. And so speaking of showers, what's the Northeast looking like? Are there going to be remnants from that, or just showers coming, or?
Well, the Northeast, we do have, it was pretty humid here.
Yes, I did
even today, just ahead of a frontal boundary, we had like a line of storms that make an impact across the Midwest yesterday, across Ohio, Indiana as well. Well, that frontal system presses further east here today. So around the interior sections of the Northeast, we will see some spotty showers and also some thunderstorms. Once again, you have that moisture in place, and that's going to pretty much fuel for the wet weather around the areas there. But major cities like the I-95, we may have to wait until late tonight, so basically throughout the overnight hours. So much of the day, we're looking for it to be rain-free as that front continues to press further east.
Okay, thanks so much for updating us on this Monday, Stephanie.
No, of course. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.